Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an HK Audio Premium Pro Move 8 wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth or if it keeps disconnecting, if you're only getting a sound without the proper volume, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set this speaker up on a new device or anything where you just want to get a fresh start on it, we can, so that you get the out-of-the-box settings, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do in order to do this is we want to make sure there's power to it. And then we're going to come around and we're going to find the cabinet simulation button, which is here, and the pairing button here. And if you press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for several seconds, it will reset this speaker to its factory default settings. It will wipe all of the pairing history off of it and everything like that. And you can set it up again as a new speaker.